Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And as I always say friends, this book is this long so I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you people can understand in a better way friends, okay? And what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video so that if you come sequence wise you will understand in a proper way. As today's video number is 75th, okay? So and friends, do subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification friends, okay? And in our last topic I have covered the concept called to get help from the spirit soul always be cool and calm, right? And in this topic, in this video I'm going to cover the topic called marriage, okay? So friends, I will start with today's topic, okay? And I will start. And this name and the number of the video is 75th. Okay, I will give this number. And friends, you can also connect me on Instagram. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will give answer. If you have any doubt, connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will give the link in the description, friends. Okay, and the date is 19/6/1981, 19 June 1981, and the topic is marriage. I will start, friends. Okay. There are no marriage in the spirit world, but we do try to mend broken marriage on earth because of the children. And also because a couple will need each other in the old age. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that in the spirit world there is no concept called marriage. But in earth world there is a concept called marriage because what happens during the old age the couple need each other and many a time spirit world help to save the marriages on the earth. On earth wise men create marriage to safeguard children because they saw that people were not being responsible and taking care of their children. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that there were some people, wise people in our society in this earth who have created a concept called marriage. Because what used to happen earlier, nobody used to take care of their children, right? For example, so they created the concept called marriage. Therefore, they made marriage compulsory for a begetting children because both parents can bring up a child better than just one. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that the wise soul in the earth have created the concept of marriage because it is very good for a child that both parents, mother and father can do their upbringing apart from only mother doing the upbringing. So they created this beautiful concept called marriage. It is wise for two people to stay together, help each other, and guide their children to be the better citizen. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that it is always beneficial for a children if the mother, father, both children get love of both and children grows up. So the concept of marriage and they can be a better citizen tomorrow. In their old age the couple can also look after each other, so even in the old age couple looks after each other. So this is also one of the reason why the marriage the concept of marriage was created. Give each other company and face the world problem together. So marriage are not destined. We are afraid to say this, however, as many people on the earth will now say marriage are not made by God. So why get married and create problem? So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling many a times the earth soul have a concept called the now they will tell why to get married because this concept of marriage is not made by God, right? Then why should we get married? But Vipsi and Ratu is telling it is good to get married because if we are married then we can see in the old age the couples can take care of each other, even they can grow children together apart from a single parent growing the children. Let us be free. I advise you to think hard before publishing this in our book. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that even you think hard before publishing this concept in the book. We like to help reunite those with the broken marriage so they may live happily. So here in the spirit world, they also try to, those who are marriage are broken, many a time what happen, many souls marriage get broke, and they fight with each other, they don't take care of each other. In that time, the soul from the spirit world help us to reunite our marriage, as that is the best for them. But some one partner is entirely evil, abusing the other partner and or their children physically and mentally. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling some partner are even ill, mentally ill. They try to abuse each other, they try to hate each other, which is very wrong and which should not happen. It become impossible for the other to live with him or her, in which case her or him, in which case we do pray for God to do what the best for all concerned. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, many in many cases what happened, even the couples do not want to stay with each other because it's very difficult for them, because they start hitting each other. Sometime females start hitting male, wife start beating husband, sometimes husband start beating wife. So it is not at all advised. That time the spirit world always pray to God that God, you give a solution whatever will be good for this couple. It is best for husband and wife to love each other and live in harmony and happiness as a reunited family with the children. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, it is very important for the couples to love each other and stay with their children, husband, wife and children, and reunite together and stay a happy life, so that they can face problem in a much better way. Harmony and happiness at home are most necessary. So for every human being on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, so that they could stay together, and harmony and love is very much necessary for the soul who are living on the earth. There has to be give, there has to be give and take and toleration in all marriage. And in even Vipsi and Ratu is telling, in marriage also there is a relation of give and take. So there are some exchange of the karmic account, where some good thing happens, some bad thing happens, but still everybody should live with love in this earth, apart from fighting with each other. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagari. So friends, this topic, today's topic came to an end. This today's topic was marriage, and in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called develop your power in the right manner. This will be the next topic. And friends, as always, I say this book is this long, and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so that you people can understand in a better way. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, friends. Okay, and you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it out: ABHIMANYU BHATTTACHARJEE 1906. You can directly connect with me there. You can ask the doubt, and even do like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so this brings to end to today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay wise, and always stay happy. Try to help each other, try to do good karma in the life, try to work on godly path, and one day we all souls are going to meet, reunite in the spirit world, realm 7, and you will say, one day I used to see your video and today we all are here, and it will be the great moment and achievement of our life, friends. So this video comes to an end, so I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, so till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Okay friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you, friends.